In the video today, I'm going over everything you'll need to know about the Magbak smart wallet. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so first things first, these wallets are super thin. If you've never seen one, they are crazy thin. This is with 4 cards in it and cash right now. This is what it looks like when there's no cards in it. You can see adding those cards doesn't make it super bulky. It's still so slim, and it just connects really nice with this MagSafe case right here. And as you can see, it's a really good grip. It's definitely not going to fall off easy. The finger loop is on the back here, and you just run your finger right through to get it to pop out, and there it is. So really great grip on there. Now, inserting and taking out your cards and your cash, let's start with that. So at the bottom, right below the finger loop here, there's a little latch, and you'll basically want to push from here, and that's how you push your cards out. So again, right now I have 3 cards in here right now, 3 credit cards and 1 insurance card, and just push that down. Now you want to put the cards in the back. Now in the inside, there's actually 2 slots. The front slot is for cash and the back is for your cards. The reason you put your cards in the back is because you can access them by this little bottom right here, and you just push up, and that's how you get your cards out nice and easy. In the front, you have the slot here for your cash, and you can push up just like this to get it out. So that's super easy. Now let me open it up here so you can see there's 2 slots. That front slot is for the cash and the back is for your cards. And so it's super easy. It's super easy to just insert your cards. On the website, they say up to, I think, 5 cards. I just have 4 right now. And I think 4 to me is the sweet spot where it keeps the wallet still slim and it's not too bulgy. This is the front where you'll insert your cash, and it just slides right in. Now, I've used a lot of other wallets, and the thing that always frustrates me is that they don't always have a slot for the cash. I usually have to shove my cash in between the credit cards, and so I'm glad with this one you don't have to do that. This button here is the button you'll use to pair it with Find My. So on your iPhone, you want to go to the Find My app, and then you want to go to Devices, tap on the plus, and then go to Other Items. Now you can do MagSafe accessory, but when I tried to pair it using that, it was a little glitchy, so I felt like the easiest way to pair was just using the other item. So tap on that, and now your iPhone will begin searching. All you do is press that button. You're going to hear it beep, and then it should find it in a few seconds. There it is. We're going to hit connect. Here's where you can name the wallet, and right now I have it just showing up as text wallet, which is totally fine. We'll hit continue. You can choose the emoji that's going to show up so you'll know when you see your map what icon will represent your wallet. I'm totally fine with that. We're going to hit continue and then hit agree. And this is giving you some information in terms of how to track it, and you can basically ping it. So when you're trying to find it, this is the menu that's going to show up. So let's say I was trying to find it, maybe it was lost in my house. I can have it play a sound. We can just tap play a sound, and this is the sound the wallet will make when it's being pinged. Now imagine you just have it lost in between the couch or in another room. You can keep hitting that play sound until you're able to locate it. So super easy there. And obviously, if you don't have an iPhone like me, use your iPad and the Find My app on there to pair it, and then you can use that if you need to ping it. Now when it's time to charge it, you can actually charge it on a wireless charger, which is really cool. You want to place the finger loop side down, and then it will read it, and then it will begin charging. On one charge, you should be able to get about 30 days, which is awesome. So you're not going to have to think about charging this thing very often. Now the phone will also send you an alert when the battery is low, reminding you that you need to charge it. Now on the back here, you have these magnets, obviously, which allow it to connect to the phone, but you also have a magnet at the top here, and this is what allows you to use it as a kickstand as well. Now this primarily works the best when you're using a Magbak case. So here I can easily magnetically clip it to the back. It stands up well. This was my quick rundown of the Magbak smart wallet. I wanted you guys just to see all the things that you can do, understand the pairing process, understand how you can ping it, how to charge it, all those different things. And I also didn't want you to feel intimidated by the fact that it supports this Apple Find My and therefore, oh, it's only for iPhone people. I'm primarily an Android person, but I plan to use it. And I'm just going to use my iPad for the pairing because I do want that smart tracking to be there. And I also, again, this is, as of now, the slimmest smart wallet that I found, so I want to use this one. So although it doesn't have an Android tracking option, I'm gonna get over that because I could use my iPad to track it and just take advantage of just how sweet, how slim this case is. Now my daily carry phone is the S25 Edge right now, and so it's like a perfect pair to me, having this super slim phone with like probably one of the slimmest smart wallets on the market. Look at how clean that profile is right there. So anyway guys, if you want to pick up one of these, check out my link in the description to grab one. It's a very good price. I also have a discount code as well that'll save you some money on it. And you can, for a few extra dollars, you can pay to have it engraved and have your name and your initial on the back just like that. Obviously it comes in that brown and it comes in this black color as well. So leave me your thoughts in the comment section down below if you would get one of these. I will say that, you know, Father's Day is only a couple of months away, and this might be a cool gift for you to get that special man in your life. So definitely something to check out. Or maybe you want to get it for yourself. Go ahead and jump on that code while it is active. Thanks again for watching, guys. Also want to give a special thank you to Magbak for sending this so I could test it and share it with you guys. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.